Robschild, nothing I say is investment advice. Welcome to the show where we look at financial markets through crystal ball gazing. JP Morgan once said millionaires don't need astrologers, but billionaires do, and so we begin. History has been made. On a closing weekly and daily basis, we have pierced that 5,000 level, closing today at 50.26, 5,026 and 62 cents. You will see this in the news all weekend, and people will buy the heck out of the stock market next week. That's what I see in my crystal ball. The market's very greedy, and I don't see that going away anytime soon. It's greatly supported by HYT. This is high yield corporate. This flag right here broke out higher. This thing looks as bullish as can be, and so it's pedal to the metal, risk on, risk on, risk on. Also notably, Bitcoin today popping higher. We had said in previous shows we were looking for that 50,000 level. Sorry, we had the wrong chart up there. Here it is. We had said how Gareth Soloway, best predictor of Bitcoin, pretty much right. It looks like, we're within this range. Where it goes from here, anybody's guess. As I pointed out in yesterday's show, this breakout is continuing on the 30-year yield. It looks like we are headed to, it's going comfortably up as it really should. As the stock market goes up, it means that yields can go up. When the stock market gets more expensive, there is a wealth effect. People feel more wealthy, and it puts a higher risk of inflation, lower risk of sooner cuts from the Fed. So we're seeing tightening here along with the stock market going up. Seems we're back into sort of good news is good news mode. And again, like I've said in a few previous shows, once you get to that scenario where good news is good news, well, then bad news also becomes bad news. And so, we'll see where we go from here. But there just seems strength across the board. Like I'm saying, this weekend you'll hear all over the news hitting this 5,000 mark. We'll get a heck of a lot of retail investors, even people that don't invest very often. People will be pouring into the market here this next week. I'm taking a little bite here with some out of the money calls on SPY right now to do a quick scalping of that movement. It looks pretty clear that it's pretty darn bullish for the extreme short term. Additionally, on the 10-year note, we have this pattern. This red candle here, it closed here, so this is going to, if you consider on a closing basis, which is a stronger indication than other parts of the candle. Closing basis here, green candles close on that end of it. And then, we closed above it yesterday. This we count as a retest, and, we're solidly above this. So we can expect yields across the curve, really, to go up from here. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. And go football. Robschild.